delete your story on TikTok, this is the video for you. So you watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I'm guiding you to delete a TikTok story. Now, if you want to delete a TikTok story, the first thing which you need to make sure is that you have already installed your TikTok app on your device. So if you have already installed the TikTok app, that's good. If you have not, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So simply open the TikTok app, and this is the homepage of TikTok, where you see various options at the very bottom taskbar. So you just need to tap on the option of profile icon at the very bottom right. So this is a profile page where you see the option of number of people following, followers, and likes on it. Now to delete the story, tap on a profile icon, and this is the story which you have posted. So if you want to delete it, tap on the three dots at the very bottom, and at the very bottom you just need to scroll a bit, and you will see the option of delete at the very end. So you just need to tap on the option of delete like this, and it says delete and read or simply delete. So you just need to select the option which you think is good for you to delete it, and you'll be able to delete the story. So that's it. That's how you can delete your story on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.